So here I have got list of some topics. Actually, these are topics which I am going to give them off the cuff. So they are the students. They one by one will be selecting their own topics on which topic they are comfortably able to speak up. So the first topic which I'm going to speak out, it is about education. Who would like to speak about education? So here is one.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Love. I have come here to tell you about education. First of all, before starting, I would like thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity in speak in front of you. So, education unlocks human potential, fostering critical thinking and innovation. It bridges gaps. It bridges gaps, promoting equality and inclusion across communities. Education Education drives economic growth by creating skilled workforce. It it reduces poverty, improves health, and builds builds informed citizens. Education isn't just for classroom, it's a long life journey. It it helps preserve heritage. It helps preserve heritage while embracing while embracing innovation. Ultimately, education transfer transformation lives, offering hope and opportunities. Thanks for having me here.
So as he tried to speak up, it is his first time, so he might have been nervous and he was stuttering while speaking. But even he tried a lot. So the next topic which I would like to give someone, that is about social media. Who's going to speak about social media? I've got two students. So first I can start with her, then he'll be speaking. So you can start first.
My name is Bhavna and I tell you about our social media. Social media is an important life of our modern life. It allows people to connect with friends, families and share information and news all over the world. Platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram can connect to people, communicate to each other. Social media is an important part of our education and business. Student can learn some new things and attend online classes. Business can also business can also use to promote their products and education reach more customers. Social media is a negative sign because it may waste time and reduce to face communication and affect mental health. So thank you.
As she tried word, she tried to speak about pros and cons both things. So now let's go ahead with him. What does he speak?
Hello, all of you. My name is Asha and I have come here to tell you my topic social media. Social media is a starting 1991, 1997, sorry. And social media is the biggest platform of education. And social media is the connect for easily pupils. And the social media is a easily tell family and friend and disadvantage. I'm going to disadvantage on the social media. Social media is a impact your mentally problems.
So they both have explained pros and cons of social media. Yes, he was a bit nervous. I understand that, but it's his first ever chance. So through this activity, I just want to show one thing, that whenever you see anything in your surrounding, article, things, people, whenever you see anything, just try to speak out about 4 or 5 sentences about particular thing. That's how you can make yourself more fluent. And for getting fluency, you must have ideas about things. If they have got idea about particular topic, then you can speak up better way. Once the person is not having knowledge, on how he'll be able to speak up, and people start comparing their English with their knowledge, but it's different thing. When you have got knowledge about things, then you can easily translate in English and you can speak up, right? So whenever you see anything in your surrounding, whether it is Hindi or English, just try to speak out 4 or 5 sentences about particular thing. So the next topic is Indian culture. Who would like to speak about Indian culture? Yes, sir.
Hello guys, my name is Piyush and I have come here to tell you our Indian culture. I don't like any culture other than Indian culture, because here every festival celebrated with joy and with the whole family. And in our Indian culture, we taught to respected women, and the Indian in our Indian culture respected soil, and in our Indian culture respected all religions. That's why Indian culture is very good. Thank you.
It was short, but was better to understand. Now, next topic is about YouTube. Who will speak about YouTube? She is the one.
Hello, good evening to everyone. I have come here to tell about YouTube. Thank you giving this wonderful opportunity front of me. So my name is Upasana Singh. YouTube is the world largest video sharing upload platform, and we can uploading and watch content where anyone videos and video and YouTube was launched 2005, and we can earn money on YouTube from YouTube. Thank you.
Now we have got one, two, three, four students left, and four topics I have. So next topic is you can speak about Google. Who would like to speak about Google?
Hello everyone. My name is Harshita and my topic is today Google. Google is a search engine. It helps us to find information, videos, images and almost types informations. Or it gives information very fast. It's save our life. Uh, Students are used Google to do homework and teachers are used to Google to teaching, and Google is very common for in this time, and Google gives our save our life and time also. Google is it gives information very fast. Say thank you everyone.
So now we have spoken about the topic importance of no, not yet. Google, YouTube, social media, education. The next topic is importance of discipline. Now she's going to speak about. Two students have prepared for that, right? So you can speak up first.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Anjali. I'm going to share you about importance of discipline. So discipline means following rules and regulation. It helps us to become a punctual and responsible person in our life. If we follow discipline, we can save our time and people respect us. I have seen many people who follow discipline. They can by that they can able to achieve their goals easily. So we should also follow discipline. Nowadays, discipline is very important. We should also follow discipline to achieve our goals and dreams. We should make a habit of discipline. So, discipline. Thank you so much.
Now same topic. She is also willing to speak up on the importance of discipline, right? You can go ahead with that.
Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Sharma. So I want to tell about importance of discipline. We all know that discipline is very important. Of discipline is very important for everyone in our life. You must have self confidence. The first thing that every school teacher teach discipline. Discipline is the most important in life. You must have self confidence. Disciplined life starts showing good result very quickly. It makes us realize the importance of time. So set goals, stay disciplined, and success will surely. Thank you all.
Especially her wordings, pitch of the voice was amazing. Follow discipline, set your goals, work upon that. The success will definitely be after you. Now, next topic is importance of English. So as he is willing to speak about importance of English, let's go with him.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Umang Sekarwar. My topic is importance of English. English speaking is very important today world. It is English speaking is very important today world. It is widely used for it is widely used for meetings, interviews, travels, and higher studies. It higher higher studies. English speaking.
So as you must have observed the one thing, that is he is a bit nervous, right? So when this is the problem which is faced by everyone. While speaking, we forget the words, we start fumbling. When you start fumbling, what you can do one thing, just if you forget something, then stay quiet. Take your time, give pauses, and then go ahead with the discussion. So that's how you can improve your speaking skills, right? So last topic is website. About that topic, website.
Hello everyone, my name is Yaj Agrawal. Today I am going to share about website. What is website? Different type of website. What are the technologies are used in websites? So websites are divided into two parts: front end and back end. The front end part is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some frameworks like Node.js and AngularJS. And back end part is database, MongoDB, APIs, and websites are two types of websites: static website and dynamic website. Static websites are those websites who can show data only. User cannot interact with this website. When we're talking about dynamic dynamic website are these websites the user can interact. For example, Amazon website, user can check your status and track your product, and they user can
So I really appreciate you everyone as you have shown your efforts, the endeavor which you have shown to us, that is fine. And next time I'll be also making video with you all. So I want some improvement. The topic which I have given you off the cuff. So next time I'll give you topics so that you can prepare the topic better way, then go ahead with the discussion, right? So in upcoming videos, I'll be showing you some good discussion topic as well. We'll have good discussion GD. So stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.